Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to turn off autoplay videos and GIFs on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This is based on the new update, so if the settings look a little different from before, don't worry, everything will be covered step by step. Autoplay can be distracting, use up data, or just make your feed load slower. Turning it off can help you browse peacefully without constant motion in your timeline. So, let's get started. First, open x.com on your web browser and log into your account. From your main dashboard, look down at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of icons and options. Click on the one that says More. That's where we'll find all the extra settings and customization tools. Next, in the More menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new section where you can manage everything from your security preferences to how your feed looks and behaves. Now, under Settings and Privacy, find and click Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This is where X keeps all the options related to visuals and usability. From there, choose Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for a setting labeled Autoplay. This is the feature that controls whether videos and GIFs start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. Once you click on Autoplay, you'll see different options, usually something like on cellular or Wi-Fi only, and never. To completely stop videos and GIFs from playing automatically, select Never. That's it. You've now turned off autoplay on X for the web. The change saves automatically, so there's no need to confirm or restart your browser. From now on, videos and GIFs will only play when you decide to click on them. This small change can make a big difference in how smoothly your feed runs and how calm your browsing feels. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to explore the other settings under Accessibility to fine-tune your X experience even more.